Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 17,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include cruise control, power steering, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, XM satellite radio, and OnStar.